Birth of every precision machine begins with this rigor and order. The first step is parts warehousing. All seals and imported O-rings are stored strictly according to standards to ensure that every component meets quality requirements. Next is the cleaning process. We use environmentally friendly water cleaning technology to remove impurities from the surface of every part, laying the foundation for subsequent assembly. Now we move on to the assembly stage. Technicians meticulously assemble the friction plates, every movement performed under rigorous training. After assembly, we conduct brake testing to ensure its stable and reliable performance. We initiate pressure tests, pressure holding tests, and a 20-cycle pressure test to comprehensively verify the equipment's performance. With the assistance of heating equipment, the planetary gears are precisely assembled to ensure structural stability. Airtightness testing is a crucial step. Even the slightest leak will not escape its detection. Every bolt is tightened to the specified torque to ensure that every connection of the machine is flawless. Finally, a test run is conducted. Watching the machine run smoothly, this sense of ritual is the best interpretation of craftsmanship. This is the ritual of precision assembly.